it's Bree again, and today I'm bringing you guys a Valvetronic exhaust install video. I'm super excited to go ahead and be installing my Valvetronic exhaust. It's stainless steel, and then it has carbon fiber tips at the end as well. Go ahead and check out Pure Performance. They did go ahead and do a partial sponsorship with this exhaust, so I'm super stoked to go ahead and be installing it. If you want to go ahead and listen to the straight pipe, this is the last time I'm going to be starting up my car with the straight pipe, so stay tuned for the Valvetronic exhaust sounds. But as of right now, this is the last time I'm starting up my car. I think it's funny that I constantly get asked on social media what kind of exhaust I have on my 5.0, but I actually just have the stock exhaust. It's straight pipes. I used to have a Flowmaster exhaust with an H pipe that was welded on, but I ended up getting rid of that. It was a little too quiet for me, and honestly it sounded very good. I honestly just needed a muffler delete. I actually wanted to go ahead and get rid of it. I wanted an actual exhaust, and I think this stainless steel Valvetronic exhaust is perfect. Like, I can remote control open and close the valves, so I think that's pretty convenient. Like, I do be going to like the beach cities, and sometimes cops are a little bit more on me over there, so I try to avoid them right now that I'm like straight piped, and I have been for about like a few months now. I think it's just time for another exhaust, and we'll see how long it takes me. I'm not quite sure how long it's gonna take, but it shouldn't take too long, I don't think. I think for the most part it's just like a plug and play exhaust. The only thing I am worried about is low-key the fuse. I'll do the downshifting ASMR now. Alright guys, I'm about to start installing my exhaust, but I want to show you guys how my stainless steel Valvetronic exhaust looks so far. I'm going to go ahead and start unwrapping the exhaust, so let's just go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so you know it's getting real when I changed, but I'm about to start building it and putting it together. But I finally finished unwrapping everything and it looks so nice. I'm so excited. I love how they added this like carbon fiber. Guys, basically I came over here to the grass and I'm just demonstrating how she's basically gonna look. These are clamp-ons, so I'm about to go ahead and start putting it all together. I already finished putting all the clamps on it, and then go ahead and remove my stock exhaust and start installing the stainless steel Valvetronic exhaust. Alright guys, I'm going under. Move these bolts, and then these two right here, and then all the way down here. Alright guys, so I finally got the stock exhaust out. I'm gonna go ahead and start installing the Valvetronic exhaust. Alright guys, so this is the part that gets confusing because I don't really deal with electrical stuff. So I have Adrian and Sergio helping me out, and I don't know how they're really gonna run the wires, so I'm gonna let them explain.
So we're basically gonna route the wire through the bottom here of the trunk. I don't know if you guys see that hole right here. Pass it down, go all the way down to the passenger side where the fuse box is at, right underneath the glove compartment. Here where the fuse box is at.
Alright, so I think apparently we're gonna put it here. I don't know. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start installing the exhaust piece by piece because it's just more convenient that way. I'm just gonna connect it through here. Only under here? I'm like here.
Oh!
Oh, I hit my head so hard right now. I basically finished tightening all the bolts, but they're going ahead and helping me out with the fuse connection. And they're bringing it from down below. Guys, I'm gonna do a little test run so you guys are gonna be able to hear the exhaust for the very first time. I'm so excited, so let's go. Finally parking the driveway again. Alright guys, I'm gonna do like a little quick test drive with it for the very first time, so let's go. Here's the real test. I'm gonna go ahead and drive, and you guys are gonna get a point of view from the outside. She actually sounds really nice. I'm actually convinced that this was the best decision I could have made. Alright guys, I'm actually on my way home. I have my straight pipe exhaust right here, my stock exhaust. I'm gonna go home now. I'm so excited to finally shower and get in bed. I'm so tired. I'm physically exhausted. I've just had a long ass weekend and I'm just extremely happy with how it turned out. Honestly, overall it was a really great experience, learning a few things, and then also just I'm so happy now because I'm able to go ahead and park in my driveway. It was a big issue with my parents. It's definitely a good decision. I'm extremely happy with it. At first I was a little bit sad because it wasn't as loud as it used to be, but it was like kind of unnecessary to be that loud all the time. So now with the Valvetronic exhaust, I'm able to go ahead and control it. Like let's say I'm going to like some beach cities and stuff, like it shouldn't be an issue. It basically sounds stock, as you guys heard. So yeah, I definitely recommend stainless steel Valvetronic exhaust. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.